Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to play music over your live stream on Zoom. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-Minute Solution. So first of all, click on share screen and click on advanced and select here computer audio and click on share. Now Zoom will share whatever audio your computer is playing. Go ahead and play some music on Spotify, Apple Music or even YouTube, it doesn't matter. Everyone on the call will hear your music without seeing your screen. This is perfect if you need a particular playlist for your online workout class. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.